Imagine stepping outside onto your balcony, a space not defined by square footage but by the peace it brings. Now picture transforming it into a serene Zen garden, a place where every leaf and stone invites you to pause and breathe. No matter where you are or how busy life gets, this tiny oasis will be your daily retreat, sharpening your mind and centering your spirit. In this session, let's discover how a small balcony garden can unlock mindfulness and bring calm into your everyday life. Ready to create your own Zen sanctuary? Monks say, beneath a tree atop a rock. You sit, alone on top of a rock or under a tree, and quietly practice Zazen. This brings you into communion with nature. You can leave behind whatever thoughts pass through your head and sit Zazen with an empty mind. This is the ideal environment for practicing Zazen. It can be challenging even for Buddhist monks to find such a setting. That is why the grounds of Zen temples feature gardens. We can visualize distant mountains, and in our mind can hear rushing sound of a river. A vast landscape like this can be shrunk to a minuscule version by creating a small garden, and the splendor of nature reproduced within a negligible space. The accumulated wisdom of Buddhist monks is captured in the art of Zen gardens. Try creating such a garden in your own home. If you don't have a garden, a balcony will do just fine. And if you don't have a balcony, a window lodge will suffice. A few square feet is all you need. Within that space, try representing the landscape of your mind. A place where your mind can escape. A place where you can look upon your essential self. It may just become your favorite spot. Walking out onto your balcony is not just a space with a few potted plants, it's a small sanctuary, your personal Zen garden. You're about to learn how even the smallest balcony can become a place of mindfulness, focus, and peace, no matter where you are. Let's dive into the art of creating a miniature Zen-inspired garden to nurture your mind and spirit. So, let's bring a touch of nature to your daily routine, one mindful breath at a time. Why a balcony garden? Because it's the Zen of simplicity in your own space. Think of a balcony garden as a simple yet profound way to connect with nature daily. It doesn't need to be big or elaborate. Zen teaches us that simplicity brings the deepest peace. You don't need sprawling landscapes to feel centered. In fact, a single bonsai or potted bamboo on a balcony can remind you that the essence of mindfulness is in simplicity. This is urban mindfulness, a small haven that invites a big shift in your mental state. A balcony garden is like a pocket-sized retreat, a mini temple just a few steps away. It's a space to pause, just as a monk finds peace in a mountain temple, only yours is within arm's reach. Design your Zen garden is nature's canvas on a balcony. In Zen, the way we arrange our surroundings reflects our inner world. Start by choosing a few plants that represent resilience and calm, like bamboo, lavender, or small succulents. Use stones, sand, or a small water feature to mimic the elements. These remind us of nature's wisdom, strength, adaptability, and flow. Your balcony garden is like a mental reset button. Imagine stepping outside, touching a stone, inhaling the scent of lavender. It's like pressing refresh for your mind. Use this space as a mindfulness tool. Spend a few minutes each morning observing the natural beauty of your plants. Notice the texture of a leaf, the way light plays on a stone. This practice, called kansho in Zen, sharpens your focus and trains you to be present. It doesn't take hours, even 5 minutes can center your mind. This is like tuning a musical instrument. Those few moments of focused attention bring clarity and balance. Your mind, like a well-tuned instrument, performs better with consistent, mindful care. Build a routine, make your garden a daily mindfulness habit. Creating a small garden isn't just about physical plants, it's about establishing a mindful routine. As Zen masters say, practice makes habit. By stepping into your garden each morning, even for a few breaths, you reinforce the habit of mindfulness. Think of your balcony as a mental charging station. Each morning, you step into your garden and recharge your inner battery, making your mind resilient for the day ahead. Integrating balcony mindfulness with daily life. The beauty of a balcony garden is that it teaches mindfulness that you can take anywhere. When you step back inside, carry that calmness with you. It's the Zen principle of carry the mountain with you no matter where you go, bring that sense of calm, just as a Zen monk carries peace within, regardless of surroundings. Imagine your garden as a mental anchor. Wherever you are, at work, in a meeting, visualize your garden. Remember that moment of calm, and carry that peaceful anchor within you all day. Cultivate a Zen mindset through nature. Creating a small balcony garden is an act of self-care. It's a commitment to mindfulness, resilience, and inner peace. As you nurture these plants, you're nurturing a calm, focused mind. Let this space be a reminder that no matter. Thank you for joining this journey into creating a small yet powerful place of mindfulness. Your balcony is more than a space, it's an invitation to live with calm, clarity, and connection to nature every day. Remember, cultivating peace isn't about having time, it's about making time. Embrace your balcony as a retreat, and may each moment spent there sharpen your mind and nurture your spirit.